God.
How you doing, guys?
Well, doing my commute from work. Looks like we got a plow ahead of us. I'm only going like 20 miles an hour. These people are going wicked slow. It's kind of not snowing too super bad right now, but the roads are pretty shitty. There's lots of snow packed onto them. And yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna take it slow. Hopefully this normally 15-minute commute is not gonna take like an hour and a half. But, you know, I called out to work last week because of a snow day, and I couldn't do it this time. So, plus, you know, because I don't want to like use up all my accrued, you know, like snow days and stuff. So that's how I'm feeling about it. Got huge fucking trucks to the side of me, and this fucking snow, which makes me nervous. Especially one of these bastards jackknifes. And it's probably making people nervous that I'm recording this with a camera with one hand driving in this, or whatever. I'm just gonna take it easy here. These roads are pretty bad, man. Normally for the highway, these would be a lot more clear, but they're not. Whoa, I'm going off the road. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop recording and put two hands on the wheel. Alright, peace.